Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a relaxing nighttime cleaning, and I'm calling this relaxing because tonight was actually the night right before we left to Disney, and I did not want to do no major cleaning or deep cleaning of any sort. I honestly just wanted my house to feel and smell good. There's just such an awesome feeling about coming back home to a clean house after being away for some time. So my focus for today was getting the floors cleaned, tidying up the main floor, and I also did throw in a load of laundry, which were the towels. And I was already on vacation mode, so the last thing I wanted to do was clean. However, I did pour myself a little bit of wine, played some jazz music in the background, and cleaning did not seem like a chore at all. So if you know me by now, I always like to start any sort of cleaning that I'm going to do by lighting some candles. I just love the way the house smells while I'm cleaning. And this one in specific is in the scent Fresh Dew. I picked it up at Target and it's from their signature soy collection, and they just smell so incredible. So after I have my candle lit, that is when I can get started cleaning, and right now I'm just dusting off the entryway table with just a damp cloth. Nothing special, there's absolutely no cleaning products on this, just some water. I always get so scared to put cleaning products on real wood furniture, so I just like to play it safe and dust with just a damp cloth. After I finish the entryway table, I will then make my way to the dining room table, and I will use the same damp cloth with absolutely no cleaning product on it and just wipe the table. Now, using my vacuum cleaner, I'm going to vacuum the whole entire downstairs, and I like to use the attachment that the vacuum comes with just so I can get underneath my entryway table, and I also like to use that attachment for my baseboards just because they get really dusty. There is some new construction going on right in front of our house, and let me tell you guys, we bring so much dust from the outside. So that is why I like to use a vacuum, so I can make sure that I pick up all the dust that we bring in, and our floors are very clean and ready to be mopped. Now using my favorite glass cleaner is from the brand Spray Away, I believe it's called, and this just does such an amazing job. I don't have to pass over it so many times. It leaves no streaks whatsoever, and I just think it's been the most effective from all the glass cleaners I've used. Now, using the same damp cloth that I was using previously, I'm just cleaning this area here that, again, it collects a lot of dust. I don't know why. This is just one of those areas that I'll clean it now, and I swear like half an hour later I can already see dust on it. Using that same glass cleaner, I'm going to clean this mirror that I have here in the family room. I'm also going to dust the lamp, and I'm just going to fluff up the pillows from the sofa and just get this family area looking nice and tidy.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired.
I'm going to be using my favorite stainless steel cleaner and polisher, and this is from the brand GRWM. I absolutely love this stuff. I feel like it's the only thing that works on my stainless steel. I've tried other products before. They don't get the job done. This one honestly does such an amazing job at cleaning it, making it very nice and shiny. However, it doesn't leave a super oily finish just like the wipes do. I do not like the wipes from this brand, but I really like the spray cleaner. I'm also using the microfiber cloth from the same brand. It's recommended you use it with the cleaner, and I love it because it's sort of like a dual action microfiber cloth in which one side has like a rougher texture to it, but I promise you it's very gentle. And this is the side that's supposed to like scrub any fingerprints or grease or anything that might be stuck onto your appliances. And then the back side is a smooth texture, so this is a side that's supposed to polish any streaks that are left behind from the cleaner. So that is why I absolutely love this product, and even more with the microfiber cloth because it leaves everything so nice and polished. Next, I'm going to be using the Lysol disinfecting spray and spraying that all over my couch. We spend so much time on this couch, so I always like to spray this on just so that I can feel like it's somewhat getting cleaned. And I also love it because it just gives the sofa a boost of fresh scent. I'm going to dilute some Pine Sol multi-surface cleaner in a bucket of water, and I love the lavender scent. It just makes your whole entire house smell so fresh. I'm also going to be using these German chamois in the brand Secamax, and I picked these up at my local grocery store for, I believe it's like $1. They're very affordable. I cannot say enough good things about these. These are just so amazing to clean the floor. They're not 100% microfiber, but they feel like one just because they collect so much hair and dirt that the vacuum might not have picked up. And my favorite part is that they are so light. You don't hurt your back cleaning the floors. because they're not heavy. They're just super light and they're so easy to rinse out. I am able to get a few uses out of these. It's not like I just use it once and toss it. I probably use it like 3 to 4 times before I have to repurchase a new one, but every time I go to the grocery store, I just pick one up. It's no big deal, it's only $1 and they are incredibly effective to clean the floors. One last thing I'm going to say is that they do not leave any streaks. I know my floors are a little bit of a rougher texture, but upstairs in my bathroom I have a glossier tile and they leave no streaks whatsoever, so it works on rough floors and on glossier tile as well. This right here is my hack to drying floors. I never have to wait for my floors to be dry because I just turn on one of these big fans and it dries up my whole entire floor without me having to wait or do any work for it. I'm going to be drying the dishes that I had washed earlier in the day, and I'm going to put them away where they belong so that then I can go ahead and clean the bathroom. For the bathroom, I'm going to use this Clorox toilet bowl cleaner as well as some Lysol disinfecting wipes. And I like to start cleaning the toilet from the cleanest part all the way to the dirtiest part. So the cleanest being this top portion of the toilet and the dirtiest being the bottom of the toilet seat. I'm going to be using the Method bathroom cleaner in the scent Eucalyptus Mint and spraying that all over my sink and giving it a good wipe. I'm going to use the same glass cleaner to clean the mirrors, and then I'm also going to be using that glass cleaner to shine my faucets. It has been the best way for me to shine my faucets without leaving any streaks. They just look so brand new after using this. I'm also going to be replacing the hand towel with a fresh clean one. I feel like if I do not do this step, my bathroom is not complete. I just have to change the hand towel every time I clean my bathroom. Now that the floors are dry, the last thing I need to do is to put the rugs back where they belong, and that's it. I was done cleaning. I did not do any hard scrubbing or none of that. It was a very light clean. However, I was just so happy I was able to get this done, because leaving on vacation knowing that your house is tidy and clean is just the best feeling ever. Thank you all so much for watching another cleaning video of mine. I know you guys are really enjoying them. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you here on the Mom Life Balance. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much. Once again, I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.